let it.
Hi family, welcome to the Lucky Mom channel. My name is D the Champion. We are here with my brother F and my mother, the Lucky Mom Champion Nyachoka. Today we are going to harvest mushroom in Nyamira County. I don't know how happy we will go to be.
Oh, we'll show you. We're just going to harvest mushroom. You can see we already have our sack. We can't wait to show you. Yeah, let's go. Okay, now we are just going to harvest mushroom as we have told you. We want now to move on the other side. This is our bridge. This is our bridge here in the village. Yeah, we just decided to take a motorbike. It was a distance of around 3 kilometers, and now we are here in the back street of Nyamira County. That is where we are going to harvest the mushroom. We can't wait to show you. If you have ever eaten mushroom, you can tell us how it tastes, how it is being cooked, because we are going to show you how it is being cooked. Yeah, just stay tuned and see what's next. Okay.
Kuko yeri. Skampani kus. Eri kia butir. So yeri ria nyeru kan. Okoro. So.
You might be wondering why I decided to cover my head. And next here there are bees. You know you have to cover your head when you are next to bees. And if you don't want them to sting you. Now we are almost finishing. And I want to take you direct to the kitchen. I show you how we cook this mushroom. In our language we call it amandegere. So that is our French, that is our Kisi language. It's called amandegere. So I'm going to show you how to cook it until it is ready to eat. Okay, stay tuned. Hi. At least now we have harvested the mushroom. You can see how it looks like. I can't wait to show you how we cook it. Now you can see it's here. It's all over. It's all over here. It's being harvested like this. You just pluck it and put inside here. Yeah. It is all over here. If they have it, you can put it inside here. Okay, now we are done from the garden. We are just heading home. Imagine we came on a motorbike. We are just going to board a motorbike, then we go home. We had to follow this mushroom very far away. So we are going to enjoy. We are going to cook this mushroom together, and we are going to enjoy. We are able to get some raquets where we went to harvest this mushroom, and we are just eating. Now we're just heading home from Nyamira. Yeah, now we're heading home. Now we are done from the garden. We just want to make it. Before you cook it, you have to remove this soil. So this is what exactly I'm doing. You can see, this is now the clean ones. I have to remove all of them, then wash, and I will take you through the whole procedure of making them. Hope you are going to enjoy. Just stay tuned. You are going to enjoy. We are going to serve it with the staple food, which is ugali. Ugali is the staple food we have here in Africa. Hope you're going to enjoy it. I'm going to make a soup of this mushroom. I don't know how you call it in your language, but in our hometown we call it amandegere. Here you can see amandegere to the other side. Look at the cameraman and say amandegere. Say amandegere. He is shy. She just disappointed me, but it's okay. Now we'll head to the kitchen. Now we are at home. You know we have to make this. We are cleaning this mushroom, but now I'm here with Achira. Achira, fanya hivi kwa kamera. Hi. Hi. I'm here with my in-law. She's called Joyce. Joyce, salimia. Hi. Hi. Did I tell you? Fanya hivi. Hi. So we are here now. We just want to clean this. When you clean this, you just remove the soil, only the soil. I think I showed you. So this way, and the clean ones we put it inside here. Now we want to do it and cook it. Hope you are going to enjoy. We are going to cook a mushroom soup. Yeah. F unaweza shika hapa ionekane vizuri. F here. F is our cameraman today. He's trying to do the shooting. He's our director. Okay, F. Thank you, F. Imagine this mushroom needs many people. We work as a group to make it easy. So we are still making, you know, we have many more. Now we are just trying to clean them up and then we cook. So it's a process. It's not easy, but we are almost done. This is what we do in the village. We share work. Nothing like maybe one person has to clean, but we are cleaning. Now we are how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, we are 7. But we're almost done anyway. Just stay tuned till the end, until we finish it from the kitchen, then we taste together. Okay, thank you. This work needs teamwork. Teamwork makes it easy. That is why people say many hands make light work, or many hands make work light. That is it. Now they're almost done. This is how life is in the village. Now we are done. This is the clean mushroom. This is Apmanlegere, as I have told you. I've already cut my onion and tomato. Now I have to put them aside. So what I need, I just want to wash this. I'm just adding this water because I just want to wash it. You saw where it came from. It was very dirty, but now I just want to wash it first. This is how we wash it here in the village. After I wash it, I'm going to use our traditional fire here in the village, where we use 3 stones to cook. So that is where I'll take it. But you have to wash it maybe 2 to 3 times for it to be clean. You can see this water inside is very dirty. You saw where we harvested this, there was a lot of soil. So I have to rinse it out maybe 2 times for it to be very, very clean. Yeah. Okay, now I have come with my clean sufuria. Don't worry why it's so black. I'm going to use firewood. So I want to rinse this mushroom first. I have to rinse little by little for it to come out clean. The moment I rinse it, I'll just put it in my sufuria, because now I want to go and cook it direct. Yeah, this is how I rinse it out. Ensure you wash it very well, so that because this is something you are going to consume. Yeah, if you have never cooked this is very yummy. It's so delicious. You can just buy it from the market. Sometimes people sell it at the market. We are going to taste the mushroom soup together. Yeah. I want you to see every step how we are going to cook it. Yeah. This one, the moment I'll just finish from here, I'm just heading to the kitchen so that we can cook it together. This one needs patience anyway. When you cook anything, it needs patience. Patience is everything. Patience pays. Yeah. Okay, there is it. So I'm only going to add little water, maybe half a glass of water. They boil a little bit. Okay, let's go together. Stay tuned till the end. Okay, now I've remained with this ingredients and this mushroom. I'll add only this 1 cup of water is enough, because I have to boil them first. So we're just heading to the kitchen and we'll see what next. Okay, let's go. Okay, now this is our traditional where let me call it meko. We call it meko. We use 3 stones. This is 1, 2, 3, and now I have to put firewood here. So this is I'm using this pipe to lit the fire.
Wow.
Okay, now my fire is ready. So what I'll do, I'll just put this mushroom on the fire, and then I have to cover with this plate and wait for some minutes. Remember, I have my onions and tomato. Then this is milk. I'm going to use it for soup. So let's cook together. Ensure you have enough fire inside. So we are going to enjoy together. Just stay tuned. Okay. Okay, let us check together. Okay, it has started boiling. You know, you don't need to boil it a lot. It's for a few minutes. So I have to flip it over. Okay. Don't overcook it anyway. There's a lot of water inside, but don't worry. Let me try to see if it's ready. It's almost ready. I have to cover it for 1 minute, then I fry it. Okay, now I want to put little oil. You know, oil is very expensive, so I need to be very careful. I've just put little, and then what I'll do, I'll have to add this onion tomato together, and then I put little salt. This is my little salt. I just want to put little. Yeah, not too much. Enough. Then, you know, I have milk, but I have to wait for this onion to be ready and the tomato. Then I'll finally add milk. Yeah, I think now it's ready. This is how it looks inside. You can see our tomato is ready, onion together. Yeah. So what I'll do, I'll just add milk. If you have never cooked mushroom, I think you've seen how it's being cooked. Yeah. So I have to mix this tomato together, everything. And this is how the soup looks like. So what I'll do, I just want to give my mom to taste. Yeah, I just want her to taste. I have to take it like this. Yeah. You know, in the village, when you cook, you have to give your mother to taste, not you, not the kids. Okay, this is my mother here. She's tasting. Let's see how she will taste. My mom is tasting the mushroom. Wow. I think she's enjoying. If it wasn't good, maybe she could have said. But it seems it's okay. She's even trying to taste the soup. Wow. F the champion, you can taste. Even me, I have to taste. Oh. Wow.
Yummy.
It's so yummy. F, fanya hivi. Iko poa?
Give it a thumbs up.
Okay, thank you, dear.